this is registered dietitian Vandana Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple, healthy, and delicious vegetarian dinner casserole. This is my take on a Mexican lasagna. So it's called an enchilada casserole, and we're going to get started. And I like to line up my pan with foil to make cleanup easier. So I lined up my pan with foil. I'm going to spray some non-fat cooking oil spray. Pour a little bit of enchilada sauce, and you can decide the spice level that you like. I like it a little spicy, so I've picked up the medium spice, but you decide which one you like. And just move it around a little bit so that the entire pan has a layer of sauce. We're going to start lining up our tortilla shells right here. And these are just basic corn tortillas. I like to cut them up so they cover the entire pan. So once we do an entire layer of tortillas, we're going to be adding some refried beans. And I use fat-free vegetarian refried beans, so I don't have any extra calories coming in there. And we're going to start with some beans. And you can use your hands just because it's a little easier to spread this out. And just make sure every piece of tortilla has some beans on there. And if you have the chance, it's always a good idea to make your beans yourself, but it's okay to use a canned product. Try to keep the sodium level down and the fat level down. Now that I've added my beans, I'm going to go ahead and add some already cooked sautéed vegetables. You can decide what kind of vegetables you want to use. I've used some onions, garlic, zucchini, carrots, spinach, and mushrooms. So we're going to go ahead and add a layer of vegetables. And finally, we're going to add just a touch of sauce to make sure this sticks together. And I like to sprinkle a little oregano. And we're going to use some cheese, and I've used reduced fat Mexican blend cheese. So again, I'm getting some cheese, but not a lot. And you want to make sure you've smushed this down so that every layer sticks. And we're going to repeat this one more time with another layer of tortillas, with beans, with vegetables, sauce, cheese. And the final layer is going to be where we're just going to add the tortillas, we're going to add some sauce, some cheese, and garnish with olives. And you're going to put this in the oven at about 375 degrees for 20 minutes. And here you go. This is one that I've already done. This is an enchilada casserole that's completed. I'm going to dish it out here. And you can serve it as is, or you can garnish with some cilantro, some tomato, and some green onions. If you like it spicy, go ahead and add some salsa to it. This is enchilada casserole. I'm Vandana Chef, registered dietitian.